Welcome to the Goddess Kingdom. In this video, we will demonstrate how to perform a powerful wish spell. Before beginning any ritual or spell, you should be familiar with the skill of properly setting an altar, calling the four quarters, and creating a sacred circle. To learn how to properly set an altar, please watch our video, How to Set an Altar. Please watch our video, How to Create a Sacred Circle, if you are not familiar with summoning the four quarters and creating a sacred circle. For this wish spell, you will need a white chime candle, a ritual carving tool or athame, a plain white sheet of paper, a black pen or marker, a fireproof dish filled with water. This video features the Goddess Kingdom's Sweet Attraction Spell Oil. However, you may perform this wish spell or other dedicated spell using any of the Goddess Kingdom spell oils found on the Goddess Kingdom website, including Horn of Plenty, Money, Passion, Love, Courage, and Creativity spell oils. To perform this wish spell, you may also choose to use a spell oil of your own. For the purpose of this video, we will be using the Goddess Kingdom Sweet Attraction Spell Oil. The Goddess Kingdom Sweet Attraction Spell Oil has been skillfully crafted with the most powerful correspondence to summon and attract bliss, joy, peace, love, comfort, security, as well as any other blessings with positive and good intent. This video will also feature the Goddess Kingdom Altar Gift Set. Spell oils and altar gift set featured in this video can be found on the Goddess Kingdom website in the link below this video. To begin, this wish spell should be performed during a full moon. Before performing any spell work, you may wish to cleanse your aura with a soothing bath, or you may use sage to cleanse your space and yourself of negative energy. Before you begin, you may also wish to take a few minutes to meditate and channel your focus. Most Wiccan spells and rituals require all tools and items used in a spell be cleansed and consecrated prior to the ritual. This can be done by cleansing and blessing the items under a full moon. However, in this video, we will demonstrate how verbally cleanse and consecrate your items and tools. You will first begin by consecrating the chime candle. You will do this by focusing your intent and purpose for performing this spell with as much clarity as possible. As you focus your intent, you will visualize your personal energy flowing through the chime candle and infusing it with your own magical empowerment. Take as long as you require. Next, using your wand, you will draw a pentagram over the chime candle. As you continue to visualize your intent and energy, you will recite the following: Earth my body, water my blood, air my breath, and fire my spirit. With the power of the four elements within, I cleanse and consecrate this candle and these tools of the arts under the full moonlight. May the goddess grant her blessing and bring forth my grandest wish by virtue of this rite. As I will, so mote it shall be. Next, you will use your ritual carving tool or athame to carve a symbol on the chime candle that represents your wish. For example, a heart, a $sign, someone's initials, the runic symbol for healing, the runic symbol for good fortune, or the runic symbol for strength. Be creative. You are now ready to anoint the candle with the spell oil of your choice. To anoint the chime candle, you will use one of two methods. One method will draw energy toward you, and the other method will draw energy away from you. For this spell, you will want to draw positive energy toward you. Add a small amount of Sweet Attraction spell oil on the fingertip of your dominant hand. While holding the candle with your non-dominant hand, begin at the top of the candle and rub the oil downward toward the middle and stop at the center. Make certain to cover all sides of the candle. Next, begin at the bottom of the candle and work upward towards the center, once again covering all sides of the candle. You are now ready to light the candle. As the candle begins to burn, you will take the white sheet of paper and fold it in half. You will then tear or cut the paper in half down the folded crease. At the top center of the half sheet of paper, you will draw the element symbol for earth. On the right center of the paper, you will draw the element symbol for air. On the bottom center of the paper, you will draw the element symbol for fire. On the left center of the paper, you will draw the element symbol for water. Once you are finished drawing all 4 symbols, you will next write down your wish. When writing down your wish, it is very important that you as clear as possible about your intent and what it is you wish for. Take as long as you require to write down your wish. When you have finished writing down your wish, you will next draw a pentagram over your wish. You will do this by once again pouring a small amount of sweet attraction spell oil onto your fingertip belonging to your dominant hand. Begin by marking the first line of the pentagram running from a direction of north to south. Next, you will fold the sheet of paper containing your wish in half. Then fold the sheet of paper in half one more time. Before continuing, you will take a few moments or longer to meditate and focus on your wish. Visualize your wish exactly as you have written it. Take as long as you require. When you are ready, pick up the folded note and hold the note up to your heart. You will now verbalize your wish within reciting the following incantation. May the goddess shine upon my essence and grant this wish. State your wish before continuing. Powers of earth, wind, fire, and sea, may you bring strength to the 4 elements within me to guide my wish and see it through, with blessings of love and light to make it come true. As I will, so mote it shall be. Lastly, as you continue to envision your wish, you will take the folded note and carefully ignite it within the candle's flame. Be extra careful not to burn yourself. Drop the burning note into the fireproof dish filled with water and blow out the flame. Your wish has now been set in motion. Allow the candle to continue burning until it extinguishes on its own. You may discard of the ashes and remnants of the note outdoors under a tree, shrub, or flower bed. Mary part. The Goddess Kingdom.